Jesus come comot for dat place go im hometown with im disciples. Wen Sabbath day reach, e come start to teach for the synagogue. Many people wen hear am surprise dey say,
Where e for get dis kind sense? Which kind wisdom God give am? And wetin be all dis miracle wey e dey do so?
No be the carpenter pikin, wey be James, Joseph, Judas and Simon brother?
No be im sisters dey with us so? No be Mary be their mama?
so dey come dey vex for am. Den Jesus come tell dem,
Na only for prophet town, among im own people and for im own family, na im the prophet no dey get respect.
Jesus no fit do any miracle for there, so he only touch some sick people come heal dem. Jesus surprise because dem no believe am, so he comot from there go other village wey near there come teach dem. Jesus call the 12 disciples come send dem two go out. He give dem power to drive evil spirits comot from people body. He tell dem make dem only take their walking stick for the journey. He say make dem no carry bread, bag or money follow body. He still say,
Una fit wear shoe, but make una no carry extra cloth. And any house wey una enter, make una stay there until una comot for the place. If dem no welcome una or listen to wetin una dey talk for any place, make una shake the sand comot from una leg as una dey live there, to show say dem reject the message.
so dem go out come preach say make everybody turn from sin come meet God. Dem drive many demons comot for people body and pour oil for many people wey no well head come heal dem. King Herod come hear wetin dey happen because people don know Jesus name well well. Some people say,
John wey dey baptize don wake up from death, and because of this he don get power to do miracles.
others say,
Na Elijah e be.
some come say,
E be like one prophet wey dey before.
but when Herod hear am, he say,
John wey I say make dem cut im head comot don wake up from death.
na Herod send men go arrest John put for prison because of Herodias, im brother Philip wife wey he marry. Because John don tell Herod plenty times say,
E no good as you marry your brother wife.
so Herodias come get bad belle for John and he wan kill am but he no fit. Herod dey fear John well well, so he dey protect am because he know say John na holy man wey dey do wetin God like. Anytime Herod hear John dey preach, him mind go dey worry am, but he still dey like to lis ten to am. But one day when Herod dey do him birthday, him officers, him soldiers oga dem and the leaders for Galilee dey there with am. When Herodias daughter come dance, Herod and the people wey he invite come dey happy well well, so the king come tell the girl,
Make you ask me for anything wey you want, and I go give you.
Herod come swear say,
Make you ask me for anything wey you want, and I go give you, even if e go reach half of my kingdom.
so the girl go outside go ask him mama.
Wetin I go ask for?
The mama answer am,
Make you ask for John the Baptist head.
quick he rush go meet the king come tell am wetin he want.
I want John the Baptist head for plate now.
Even though he pain the king well well, he no wan reject wetin the girl ask because he don swear for the presence of the people when he invite. So the king send the soldier wey dey kill criminals make he go bring John head come. So the man go inside the prison go cut John head comot. He put the head for plate come give the girl, and the girl go give am to im mama. When John disciples hear wetin happen, dem come carry im body go bury.